I hate when it's hot. And when it's hot, there's a lot of things you should probably do. It's about 30 degrees and it looks like we got some thunderstorms rolling in. Thunderstorms, hot weather, not good for animals. I'm gonna help out those chickens today and install their fan. My better half, she even goes ahead and waters down the barn floor. Keeps it cool at night. All these horses, they are all in for the night. They got water. We need to keep them all hydrated. They got fans that I just shut off for now, but I might put them back on and we can beat the heat together. Am I doing it right? What do you guys do with your chickens and your animals, your farm animals? Is there something that I'm missing? By all means, comment, let me know. These girls are mad. You know why they're mad? Because it's so hot in here. We're gonna put a fan in. Plain and simple, to the point. We're not gonna dilly-dally. We're gonna put a fan in. So what I got here is I got a big square barn fan that I like to put in this hole right here. I got a drill around here somewhere. But yeah, I'm gonna take this panel off. I'm gonna put the fan in so it blows out. I wanna suck all this hot air out. I don't want to turn the other way because that will push all that hot air in. Girl, relax, relax. She's not in a good mood. They're all hot and bothered. They are all hot and bothered today. They got the wings up like this. Like, let's just take a walk. I'll show you how to know your chicken is hot. And I don't mean sexy. All right, chickens. Okay, see these chickens in the corner? Their wings kind of out a bit. Oh, they're gonna run. Hi, little Fred. Bye, little Fred. They're just not happy. All the way around, they're just not happy. So let's get this fan in for them and make them feel a little better, maybe. So here we are. I'm gonna show you my barn fan. I take this out in the winter time for obvious reasons. There is a big hole in the wall for one, and I usually plastic over it. But yeah, it's got louvers on it. It doesn't allow anything to come into the barn. I've already got a hole here. All I have to do is pull off that tin and push her in. There's one. There's two. So thankfully, because I've done this before, the hole's already cut. If you have to cut a hole for a fan to fit through, make sure you trim it with some wood. Vibration of the fan and everything could just knock your loose wall and you'd have a bigger hole there than you need. Whoop. Isn't that handy? I'm not really worried about the plastic I got left there. That was from winter time. So I ended up just cutting a slice when the weather started getting nice because I was all overzealous and the snow's gone, cut the thing. 2 days later, snowstorm. So I put that tin up there to block it. And I didn't want the chickens flying out and escaping. I had to put something there to block the hole. So anyways, this fan, albeit a little dusty, just make sure the intakes aren't dusty. Like, you're gonna have a fan that's dusty if you're in a barn. Everything's dusty if you're in a barn. We're gonna pop this fan up in the air. Whoop! We're gonna set our corner bottom in at the edge. We're gonna put our top corner in. Was that not easy? That was easy. By all means, if you don't have the confidence to do this, get an electrician. Don't do something that you think you might not be able to do. And if you're gonna wire it, watch what you're doing and don't put a black to a white and a white to a black. You'll reverse the polarity. I know, Lucky. I'm coming. I'm getting her going. I don't even know how much time. Chicken, I'm doing a video. Why are you fanning away? She's hot. I think she wants to be Broody. Do you want to be Broody? There's already eggs. They're laying eggs in here. And this Broody cage is right after this fan. I'm setting her up. And you know what? This is the best part. Hook the wire together. Let's see if this puppy turns on. Look at that. Look at that. I can feel the breeze going by me. My chickens, they love me. Why do they love me? Because I love them. I help them, they help me. See how that works? It works great. It's the way it should be on a farm, or anywhere for that matter. Now my chickens will get cooled off. I love it. Along with fans, if you can put fans in, make sure they're wired properly. Make sure your chickens have lots and lots of fresh, cold water every morning. Every morning, check that water. Make sure that it's good for them. That didn't take very long, did it? I did have the hole cut already, so it took me a lot less longer. I'm just gonna screw this into the wall and let this run. Get this heat out of this coop for these chickens. That's why they love being at Old Grumbles Homestead. It looks like it's going slow, but it's really going fast. By the feeling of this, it's gonna be a hot one all summer long. Next up, we're gonna get this Broody cage set up like immediately within a day or so. I didn't want to set it up with the heat being in here and the humidity like it was, but now that we got a solution to that, solutions everywhere. Now it's Broody cage time. So this is the beginning of the little chickens. Check out the forever grass. She's growing. She's got green in there for sure. It's not coming through yet. I haven't debated whether I want to put a smaller mesh on there or not, but it's still going. Hey, yeah, you, the one not subscribed. You watch 3 of my videos in a row and try not to join the chaos. I dare you. Chicken soup with Grumbles. What an awesome meal.